Are you searching for the best movers in Kalamazoo? Please don't worry about anything else. You found the right place with 3 Movers. With over 25 years of experience in logistics, we're here to make your move stress-free and efficient. Let's dive into our services and how we can help you with your next move. Regarding moving, we know how overwhelming it can be to find the right company. There are many factors to consider, from high charges to potential scammers. But don't worry, 3 Movers is licensed by the FMCSA, meaning we're certified and trustworthy for local and long-distance moves. Now let's look at the wide range of services we offer. Whether you're relocating locally or long-distance, we've got you covered. Long-distance moves can be particularly stressful, but with 3 Movers, we make it simple. Rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau, we handle all aspects of your move, from loading to unloading. With us, you won't have to lift a finger during your move. Just sit back and relax while we manage everything for you. Don't wait. Choose 3 Movers, the trusted and affordable moving company in Kalamazoo. We're here to help every step of the way.